Dosa dish is one of the favorites and lovable dishes of most people. This dish is basically prepared from rice and lentil crepes, which are made with ground and fermented lentil rice batter. In this video, I am showing how to prepare this lovable dish at home. Urad dal, also known as lentils, and rice are soaked for 4 to 5 hours. The lentil is very nutritious and have many health benefits, like it boosts energy, digestion, good for skin, and many other health benefits. Fermented rice is also good and provide many health benefits to the human body, as shown in my earlier video. After 5 hours of soaking the lentils and rice, I am using a mixer grinder to crush and mix the same. Now I will keep the batter to ferment overnight. Please note that during summer, it takes less time to ferment and may take longer time during winter period. A proper fermentation can double up the volume of the batter with a light sour aroma. The sour aroma is the taste which make dosa dish something special to eat. Many people used to complain while cooking dosa that it gets stuck in the frying pan, and it is very difficult to prepare a dosa. It gets stuck due to 2 reasons. Mainly the batter is not prepared properly, and another reason is the pan is not cleaned properly before cooking, and there are some leftovers which are getting stuck with the dosa. Before cooking, make sure the pan is clean with no leftovers. Adding small amount of rock salt for added taste. Now heating the pan for a few minutes, and after the pan is heated, remember to keep the flame in low to medium flame, or the dish may get burned up. After the pan is heated, pouring the batter and spreading the batter gently all over the pan, from the center to outwards. After it is spread properly, sprinkle small amount of cooking oil over the dish, and cooking it on low to medium flame, till the base turns golden and crispy. One can add butter or ghee also, instead of cooking oil, which will give a different kind of taste. Now folding the dosa, which easily leaves the pan as it gets cooked. One can add potato or paneer potato dish inside the dosa. It depends what kind of dosa one wants to prepare. It tastes better when served hot and eaten hot. It is a recipe of a plain dosa, which you will love to eat, but one can make it a masala, sambar, or a butter masala dosa by adding other ingredients one like to add to give it a special taste. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.